What is content marketing and why is it important for business growth? In today's crowded digital marketplace, businesses need to stand out in order to succeed. With so much competition, traditional marketing tactics can easily get lost in the noise. That's where content marketing comes in, a strategic approach to creating and sharing valuable content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. In this video, we'll delve into the world of content marketing, exploring what it is and how it can help your business achieve growth. We'll look at the differences between traditional marketing and content marketing, and provide examples of the various types of content marketing available to businesses. But why is content marketing so important for business growth? We'll discuss how it can help build brand awareness and establish thought leadership, while also generating leads and driving sales. We'll also highlight the benefits of content marketing for search engine optimization and website traffic. Of course, knowing how to get started with content marketing is a key. We'll provide tips and best practices for identifying your target audience, creating a content calendar, and crafting high-quality content that provides real value to your audience. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, join us as we explore the exciting world of content marketing and discover how it can help you achieve growth and success in today's digital landscape. What is content marketing? Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach that focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. The main difference between content marketing and traditional marketing is that content marketing is all about creating valuable content that informs, educates, and entertains your audience, while traditional marketing is more focused on promoting products or services directly. Content marketing is a long-term strategy that aims to build a relationship with your audience, rather than simply trying to sell to them. There are various types of content marketing that businesses can use to engage their target audience. Blog posts are a popular form of content marketing, providing a platform for businesses to share their knowledge and expertise on topics related to their industry. Videos are also a highly effective form of content marketing, allowing businesses to showcase their products or services in action or provide instructional content to their audience. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are also a valuable tool for content marketing, enabling businesses to engage with their audience and share content that resonates with their interests and needs. Email marketing is another form of content marketing, allowing businesses to nurture their leads and build a relationship with their audience through regular newsletters, promotions, and exclusive offers. Other forms of content marketing include podcasts, infographics, e-books, white papers, webinars, and more. The key is to create high-quality content that speaks to your audience's interests and needs, while also aligning with your business goals. Overall, content marketing is a powerful strategy that can help businesses establish thought leadership, build brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, and improve their search engine ranking. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can establish a strong relationship with your customers and position your business as a trusted authority in your industry. Why is content marketing important for business growth? Content marketing is an essential component of any successful business growth strategy. Here are some of the reasons why. Building brand awareness and establishing thought leadership. By creating valuable, informative, and engaging content, businesses can attract potential customers and establish their authority and expertise in their industry. This can help build brand awareness and differentiate the business from its competitors. When a business consistently provides high-quality content, they become a trusted source of information for their target audience, which can help establish thought leadership in their industry. Generating leads and driving sales. Content marketing can also help businesses generate leads and drive sales. By creating content that provides value to their target audience, businesses can attract potential customers who are interested in their products or services. Through various content marketing channels such as blog posts, videos, and email marketing, businesses can capture leads and nurture them until they are ready to make a purchase. Additionally, content marketing can help increase customer loyalty and retention, leading to repeat sales and referrals. Improving search engine optimization and website traffic. Creating high-quality content can also improve a business's search engine optimization and website traffic. Search engines like Google and Bing prioritize websites with valuable, relevant, and up-to-date content. By consistently creating and sharing high-quality content, businesses can improve their website's search engine optimization, resulting in higher search engine rankings and increased website traffic. The more traffic a website receives, the more opportunities for lead generation, sales, and business growth. In simple, content marketing is critical for business growth as it helps businesses build brand awareness, establish thought leadership, generate leads and drive sales, and improve search engine optimization and website traffic. By consistently creating valuable content, businesses can attract potential customers, build trust with their audience, and ultimately achieve their business goals. How to get started with content marketing? Getting started with content marketing can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool for business growth. Here are some tips and best practices for getting started with content marketing. Identify your target audience. The first step in any content marketing strategy is to identify your target audience. Who are they, what are their needs and pain points, and what kind of content would be most valuable to them? This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Create a content calendar. A content calendar is a schedule that outlines the types of content you plan to create and when you plan to publish them. This helps ensure consistency and helps you stay organized. It's important to plan your content in advance so that you can create a cohesive and strategic approach to your content marketing efforts. Focus on high-quality content. When it comes to content marketing, quality is a key. Your content should be well-written, informative, and engaging. It should provide value to your audience and help solve their problems or answer their questions. High-quality content will help establish your business as a thought leader in your industry and build trust with your audience. Use a variety of content formats. There are various types of content that you can create to engage your audience, including blog posts, videos, social media posts, infographics, and more. By using a variety of content formats, you can keep your audience engaged and cater to different learning styles. Promote your content. Creating great content is just the first step. To get the most out of your content marketing efforts, you need to promote your content to ensure it reaches your target audience. Share your content on social media, send it out to your email list, and consider paid promotion through channels such as social media advertising or pay-per-click advertising. By following these tips and best practices, you can get started with content marketing and create a strategy that drives engagement, generates leads, and ultimately helps your business achieve growth. In conclusion, content marketing has become an essential part of any successful business growth strategy. With the rise of digital marketing, traditional marketing techniques such as TV commercials and print ads are no longer enough to attract and retain customers. In today's digital landscape, businesses need to provide their target audience with valuable content that speaks to their needs and interests. By creating high-quality and engaging content, businesses can establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry and build trust with their target audience. Through content marketing, businesses can communicate their unique value proposition, educate their audience, and provide solutions to their problems. This helps build brand awareness and can differentiate them from their competitors. Content marketing can also help businesses generate leads and drive sales. By providing valuable content, businesses can attract potential customers who are interested in their products or services. Through various content marketing channels such as social media, blog posts, and email marketing, businesses can capture leads and nurture them until they are ready to make a purchase. Additionally, high-quality content can improve customer loyalty and retention, leading to repeat sales and referrals. One of the biggest benefits of content marketing is its impact on search engine optimization and website traffic. Search engines like Google and Bing prioritize websites with valuable, relevant, and up-to-date content. By consistently creating and sharing high-quality content, businesses can improve their website's search engine optimization, resulting in higher search engine rankings and increased website traffic. The more traffic a website receives, the more opportunities for lead generation, sales, and business growth. Getting started with content marketing can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool for business growth. Businesses should identify their target audience, create a content calendar, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to their audience, use a variety of content formats, and promote their content to reach their target audience. If you found this video informative and helpful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on business growth strategies. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and insights. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your support helps us continue to create high-quality content to help businesses like yours achieve success. Thank you for watching.